What's up, y'all? It's Bones. I'm sure we can all agree that chicken wings are probably the best party food that ever existed. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best of the best. We're gonna do smoked fried wings. Yes, they're gonna be smoked and fried. It's super easy and it's beyond delicious. I ain't even gonna talk too much. Let's get to the video. So I prefer fresh, unfrozen chicken wings, and I just cut them, separate the flat from the drum. But, frozen wingdings, they work just as good. And if you decide to cut them, just open it up, find the joint, cut it, and separate it. Easy. I use my Wild Boy blend, coming soon. But if you want a good seasoning mix, I would use like some Lowry seasoning salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and a sweetener like a little bit of brown sugar, and and that definitely will set it off. So when you smoke, I use my Weber kettle grills. I just do charcoals on one side, chicken on the other. And what you want to do is just let those things roll until you get that nice brown color that you want. That's what you're looking for. You want to infuse some smoke flavor in there and get a really brilliant color. And now it's just like frying chicken. Get your grease hot and toss them in there, and just leave them in there until they begin to float. If you want them fried a little harder, then just leave them in there a little longer. And the result that you get is a beautiful, crunchy, smoked fried piece of heaven.